The Royal Canal Greenway is Ireland's newest tourism experience, and at 130 kilometres, it's the longest too. Crossing 4 counties from the River Shannon, through Longford, Westmeath, Meath and Kildare, the Royal Canal Greenway boasts 13 flat, safe sections of varying lengths to suit everyone. Enjoy it alone or as an excursion with your family, friends, a social group or club outing. You can start and finish where you like or do the whole thing. There are already 3 cycle hire operators in Maynooth, Mullingar and Cloondara, with one-way, half, full and multi-day bike hire options. You'll be spoilt for choice too, with places to eat, drink, play and stay. Full of heritage along the entire route, you can stop to take in the sights of the historic bridges and aqueducts, working locks, historic landmarks and the National Famine Way. You can also enjoy the surrounding wildlife and nature, and the playgrounds and picnic areas. And with the next village only ever a couple of kilometres away, the Royal Canal Greenway is accessible by train and motorways, so it's easy to find your starting spot. Visit royalcanalgreenway.org for routes, maps and links to tourism along the Royal Canal Greenway. Stay safe, plan your next adventure and make it the Royal Canal Greenway.